And so you see what I've been telling you. It's nothing like it seems. It's what I've been telling you. Oh, you'd learn what I mean if you came. But the risk, are you willing to take?
Boys are frothing. Seen a bit of surf. Swells breaking across the back of this reef. They've got their boards with them today. The wind is absolutely cranking at the moment. We're just going to go for a bit of a fish for a while. Hopefully this wind drops out and then the boys are going to try and get a wave over here. That's the plan anyway. Hopefully we can get a couple of kingfish while we're waiting.
5 meters in the boat. I got to see where.
Whoa, Lee's just spotted some kingies. Like right there. Get that popper going, Lee.
They were solid.
Serious?
They were travelling this way. I'm casting over to that way.
Oh, are they over there?
Yeah, they were travelling.
Alright, hang on, let me get some burley going. Oh, sick man, he just pulled up.
So, there was a school of them. They're here already. They live here, eh? What? Yep.
Oh! Are you in?
Nah, dropped him.
I saw that, they hit big time, eh?
Yeah, right. That was big too.
Oh, decent. Cast that, mate.
Rat.
You got a tip rat. Yeah, just swap over.
Far out. I didn't want it.
Yeah, I'm in.
Oh.
Tip wrap and all. I don't know what happened there. Oh,
no.
I dropped him.
Oh, you're on.
I was in. That was on then, yeah.
It was just in.
Something must have just hit that.
Grabbed it by the boat.
He hit the berserker right by the boat.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! What? As if! Oh, that was skis. Don't let it get the anchor rope. That was nuts, man.
I wasn't even casting.
That just hit your stationary popper. What's that about?
Did you get that in video?
Yeah, I think so.
Did you see it happen? If you saw it, then the GoPro would have.
I saw it happen.
Yeah.
That was skids, man.
I wasn't even casting. I just was like resetting my lure.
That was nuts. He just came straight up and just nabbed it.
It's not done, eh? It's not ready.
He's decent. Oh no, he's not ready.
Go.
Yeah.
Watch the line. You nearly hit the line.
As if. The popper was just like sitting there.
That was a surface strike, like just next to the boat.
That was nuts.
I saw him sniff and then I was in slow-mo, eh? He was just like, oh, alright.
He sniffed it. Oh, he's not done at all, is he?
Yeah. Average stage.
Surely that bait's going to go any minute now.
Light, right.
You can't want him into the guides, Lee.
Alright, there you go.
It's free spool? Yeah. Yeah, sick, boy.
Yeah, I just spat it out too.
I put it. Yeah, nice one. That was unreal. That just came up and hit a stationary popper right on the surface.
Yeah.
Sick.
That it?
Yeah. Oh, maybe we should have kept that one. He was perfect eating size too. Oh. That was skits, man. Oh, there they are. They just followed.
Oh,
did you see that?
yeah. That's
Oh, that's a good one too.
Still looking at it.
Oh, give it a couple of pauses.
Just maybe dead stick it, because that's when he hit mine. Like, just like.
Nah, he's gone. He was having a look. Here's a good size one. So visual, eh? When you see on the poppers, it's so good.
Oh, they're following mine. Oh, he's right there. Is it? Yeah, my lure's hanging. Oh, yeah, they're following.
Oh, look at him, right there. Oh, Lee! Oh, you're joking! How much are they loving that green popper?
Oh my god! That's it.
They love that green popper, eh?
Oh, that Mealy's in a way bad spot now.
No, yeah, I'll get it out.
I've got it.
They love that green popper.
No, go over.
Over? No, it's here. It's alright, you're good.
Don't go into the reef. No.
How's that? That's the standout performer, that popper, eh?
Oh, it's really rough. Come here. Oh no.
Did you just drop him?
Wait, no, I think he's swimming towards me.
No,
Oh,
he's
no.
gone.
Oh,
He did you in the reef.
He reefed me hard.
Nuts.
How's that? I just stopped the
You
lure.
almost dead sticked it and you just came straight at it.
No, but this is what happened. It's like he was chasing it, but he didn't want it, but he looked angry as. So then I just
I
stopped it.
saw him, I saw the whole lot.
Just
That was
stopped
nuts.
the lure and then he took it, like when I stopped it.
Oh, there's a fish right there. Bailey, you're on.
No, here.
Bailey,
Oh,
surely.
this
Surely. Take the rod off him, Lee. Surely they just inhaled that muley.
one. Go just pick it up and like pull the slack back.
Surely he's on.
What?
Yeah,
Okay,
he's
I'm
on.
trying
Surely,
to
you're
stop
in. Yeah.
it.
Lucky you got a beginner fish. Help him out, Lee. Oh, hang on. I'll just get this in.
You need to be filming. Oh, don't lift it out. You're not fighting too hard. It'll break off.
Yeah, no, you sorted him out real quickly. Yes.
Yeah. That's your first.
Yeah, boys.
Best kingfish for the B-dog.
Yeah, right.
That's actually
Not bad.
Yeah, that's it. King's went a bit quiet there, so we're just going to move on. There's a bit of bird action over here. They're all dive bombing the surface, so we're just going to troll. We've got a popper out the back. We're going to troll over there and go and see if we can find them somewhere else. It's the way they are. The bait moves around and the kings follow the bait, so use the birds. The birds are your signposts. Well, lucky it's not rough.
Oh, and there's kings out there.
Oh yeah, see them, yeah, get a cast in. Oh, look at them on the surface.
I told you I saw
Oh no, what's that about?
I told you I saw one.
Wow, there's some big boys in amongst them. Oh, you're right on them, Lee. You're right on them. Oh, yes!
What?
Skid's right on top.
That was a perfect cast.
Swap sides?
Thank you very much.
That was perfect. You dropped that right on top of him.
I didn't even mind.
That was nuts. Now you got to stop him
Yeah, I gotta get him.
because he's right in there, eh?
Gotta get him on the stand.
You're on fire today, boy.
He's not so big, this one.
There were some big ones amongst them, eh?
To the left, just chilling.
How good when you can just see them, bud, eh?
Manageable. I think I got him on the sand now.
Let's go.
Yeah, maybe we should just send this episode.
Yep, get Bailey on
there's
netting
more
duties.
within that.
Yeah, I'm getting follows. Hang on.
On the net. Want me to hang him
Oh! Yeah, they're on my plastic. They're all over it.
I'll just leave
Go,
him.
eat. Someone eat. Someone eat.
Just gonna let him hang around.
Come on.
Dead stick. I don't like the plastic bags.
I don't like that plastic. Why do they not like the plastic?
This is the shit I want to jump in with the housing.
Well, jump in with the housing.
Why not? Set it all up. Grab this one or? I don't know. Do you want me to?
Yeah, go and bring him in.
Oh, he's got a big stripe on him. Yeah. Whoa. Scoop under the water. I can't lift him.
That's it.
Under. Yeah.
As if you just landed that right on top of him. That's nuts.
The other ones have the stripe like that.
Look at them all here. Oh, surely I'm in. Hang on. Something just, I just dropped that muley up there. Come on. Yeah, I'm in. Oh,
Do we need to move that?
These aren't the big ones. There was some big ones out the back there, right?
I don't know, this one might be.
No, I saw these. It was just a pack of rats about the same size as yours.
There's more following this one too.
Oh, get onto the boat, bro.
The Gen Black's feeling it. He's giving you a good run.
I got the drag pretty tight too.
Yeah. Mine wasn't so bad. I managed to sort of just stop mine. Didn't really have much on me. Yep.
Oh, he's under the boat. Do you want to just grease pull that rod?
Yep. And just
Put it in
that
holder.
holder.
Lock up this one. Just put it in there.
Even though it's not.
Yeah, alright.
Get around it.
Net. Yeah, get
Yeah,
him
if you
out.
want to work on that. Watch, she's got trebles there, don't let it hit that support.
Yeah. Stuck on the net.
I was finding This one's giving you a good run.
This one's giving you a good run. Do you want to swap over camera?
Oh, it's alright.
Alright, I might just go to landing, mate.
He's not too
Oh, he's
big.
going to have to come out anyway at some stage. Oh, he's gone.
Oh well.
Devo.
Should have jumped in after.
Busted me. Oh, yeah.
One. Bro, there's one right there.
Just fucking...
Yeah, just lines. Yeah, like that.
Man, this is solid, right?
Yeah, that's stopping the big boats.
Yeah. Nice on the Helco rooster. They love this green rooster. Has caught more fish than any other lure we've got. This green rooster is a king killer. Checking out waves. The easterly's still sort of cranking, but there's a bit of surf. We just got to, if the wind drops out, if the wind drops a little bit, I reckon they're going to get some good waves, because we've seen some good ones. They're just a bit choppy from the easterly still.
Oh, this one. The insider. The inside. Yeah. Behind this barrel.
The boys are frothing. The wind is finally starting to drop a little bit. It's still kind of cranking, and we found a bit of a right-hander breaking off this reef here. It's nothing huge, but we've seen a couple of clean ones come through. So the boys are suiting up and they're on. I might even have a few casts for a sneaky king in here as well. It's not the first one I've pulled out of here. The water looks beautiful, eh? So clear.
Yeah, it looks like it's finally settled down.
Starting to settle, yeah. That wind, it had to give in sooner or later, didn't it? Yeah. Take the plunge, mate. Yeah, the boys. Yoo-hoo! Frothing. This wind has just been incessant today. It was meant to drop off about 9 o'clock this morning, and it just hasn't at all. Still absolutely, it's still playing pretty strong. It's dropped a little from where it was earlier, but it's still a bit lumpy. Oh, Bailey's gone. Oh, no. Anyway, the boys will be happy. Even if they just have a grovel, they'll be happy. I'm soaked. We got a handful of kings on. How cool was that? That we actually sight cast into them. That's so good to be able to do that. I'm just happy to be out here, floating around, spending a bit of time with the boys. It's not always about catching fish for me. It's just being out here, seeing the nice clear water, just seeing stuff going on. Just immerse yourself in it. Enjoy what nature's got to offer. Enjoy this awesome coastline that we have here. I know the wind is a bit of a bummer and it never really stops, but you get your small windows in between. Oh, here comes one. Go, Bailey. Oh, he's up. Yeah. So Bailey just got a message from his boss going, where are you? He was meant to be at work this morning and forgot all about it. So he's ditched work to come out. Luckily his boss is pretty cool and he's going to work the afternoon shift instead, but we had a bit of a laugh before. Oh, a few wide ones coming through the channel. Oh, this is so sick, man. Oh. Close you up.